The part that freaks most people out tends to be the coordinates, and so let's remind ourselves here. This x comes first, so this is all the way up on the x, and it's not at all up and down on the y, 1, 0. And up here, we are not anywhere on the x, but we're all the way up on the y, so it's 0, 1. And so all of these things will be progressions. Now, one of the easiest ways for me to remember this is by remembering the progression of the fractions themselves. So if you agree that 0 is less than 1/2, is less than rad 2 over 2, is less than rad 3 over 2, is less than 1, those are all the points you'll ever see on the unit circle. Great, can't see. Now you can. So if we agree that this is the order, 0 is less than 1, is less than 2, is less than 3, is less than technically 4, but if you agree in that progression, then what that means is that the y starts at 0, and then we go from no y to like a little bit more, to a little bit more, to a little bit higher, until you're at the highest point, which means that the progression of y values is going to have to count up as this thing gets steeper. In other words, the y values are going to start at 1/2, and then go to rad 2 over 2, and then go to rad 3 over 2. And the x values are going to do the exact opposite. They start all the way out far away from the x, the 0, and then they slowly progress inward and get smaller and smaller. So this one starts at rad 3 over 2 because it's very far away, and then it gets closer to the center, and so it is rad 2 over 2, and then 1 over 2. And then this same thing follows as you go this way. This goes from a 0 on the x all the way out to a -1 on the x, and back down to a 0 on the y. So the y is going to go back down through these same points, rad 3, rad 2, rad 1, or just 1, 0. And this is going to go the same progression, but negative. So it's going to get -1/2, negative rad 2 over 2, negative rad 3 over 2, until it gets all the way out to -1. And then it's going to do the same thing in reverse as it goes back down towards this point, which is 0, -1. So y will get more and more negative, and x will get closer and closer to 0. And then as you go through the last quadrant, y will get less and less negative, and x will get more and more positive.